419. I believe we're going to be stopping probably at the Wendy's. Stopping at the Wendy's.
Get out of the fucking car! Get the fuck out! Get in front of the car! Put your hands up! Hands up! Passenger! Hands up!
Hey, put your hands up. Everybody hands up.
Get the fuck on the ground. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Get on the ground! Passengers, hands up! 79 Cabot. Can I get some units over here to the Wendy's? I had a vehicle try to flee from me. I've got a car load at gunpoint. I was about to fuck you up, you know that, right? I was coming. I was about to ram the shit out of you. Front seat passenger, get out of the car.
Hey, Ty, get up. Put your hands up.
Hands up. Walk around the front of the car and lay down next to him.
He gonna tell y'all one at a time. Put y'all hands up. Good.
Back seat passenger on the driver's side. Step out.
That's you, Jalen. Hands up.
Okay, that's the passenger. Come over here and lay down. Lay down. Backseat passenger, get out. Lay down. Anybody else in the car? Lay down right there. Lay down right there.
This is it.
Oh, that was fucking stupid. Hey, cuff that one and then this one. $70. Right, I got 4, 10, 15. Clear that. What?
None of y'all did.
All right, roll over to me.
This way.
Yeah, this way. Yeah. Go to your knees. Right here.
Don't hurt him, please.
No, hey, you good, Ty? He ain't gonna hurt me. You good. Everybody collaborate. Y'all good.
I'm gonna go ahead and help you roll over and sit up.
Stay right there. Don't. I got you.